order to increase productivity, production, quantity, and quality, as well as to keep prices affordable for those consumers. Bangkok Produce Merchandising Public Company Limited was established to operate in the animal feed raw material trading business and in the integrated poultry business. In particular, state-of-the-art technology and know-how have been employed in each individual step of our integrated poultry business operations. From animal feed production and animal raising to the processing of ready-made food products. Most of the broiler chicks produced from this hatchery are raised in the company's own broiler farms. Bangkok Produce Company has long realized that the quality of breeding sheds affects productivity. So an evaporative cooling system is used to control temperature, making it more conducive to the raising of chickens inside the shed. The temperature is comfortably cool, and the ventilation is better. Due to the use of this advanced technology and high-quality feed, broilers grow faster, achieve a higher density with a lower feed conversion ratio, are healthier, and have a lower mortality rate. Most importantly, their growth period has been shortened. Processing broilers, raised with the most modern methods, are brought into the company's processing plant, where quality standards are a most significant factor. Here, each individual step in the production process is carefully controlled to the standards of GMP, HACCP, and ISO 9001 version 2000. The process begins with slaughtering. These chickens have been raised on farms which have passed strict animal welfare policy controls, rendering them in a relaxed state and not frightened before being subject to the remainder of the process, which is done according to Islamic practices. Next, they are boiled, the giblets are removed, and they are cleansed internally and externally. Each process is strictly monitored by veterinarians from the Veterinary Public Health Division. All carcasses are chilled at a temperature of less than 4 degrees Celsius, which prohibits the growth of bacteria, and preserve their freshness before being carved. The meat is carved into various parts. These products are then divided into 2 types. The first type is fresh frozen chicken, where the chicken is vacuum packed in bags and sent through an air blast freezer to achieve a core temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. The chicken is then packed in cartons and placed in a cold storage room with a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius, where products are kept before delivery.